Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I was supposed to be on a no buy, but we have a Sephora haul. I picked up a few things at Sephora. It might look like a lot because it's 2 bags, but I just had to separate it into 2 bags because some of the items are a little bit big, but it's not a huge haul. But I did pick up some things that I've been wanting to try, so I wanted to share this really quickly with you guys before I put them away and start using them. So if you're interested in what I picked up in my latest trip to Sephora, just keep on watching. I have been kind of like on a no buy, or I shouldn't say no buy, but just a low buy. I always let you guys know that your girl loves to shop. If you tell me let's get in the car, let's go to Sephora, let's go to Bath and Body Works, let's go to Home Goods, I love it. Sign me up. I love shopping. I love to see what's new, but I also love to use what I have. I want to find products that work for me. I want to find products that give me results, but you have to use them consistently to see that, especially when it comes to skincare, hair care, body care, all of that. This haul, I'm so excited. I got things that I am just so excited to try out. Starting off with the perfume sampler. I have been buying these samplers since I was in high school or shortly after high school, definitely more than a decade now. It's the way that I started collecting perfumes too. I still give my mom this as gifts for her birthday, for Christmas. I'll give her this. She loves it. She loves perfume. She loves to pick out a fragrance. This also makes a perfect gift because I feel like gifting a fragrance is very difficult. You can think that something smells amazing and give it to someone else and they are like, this is gross. So by gifting a sampler, you're letting them pick a fragrance that they love, because I'm not sure if you guys knew this, but this is not, you're not paying $98 for samples. That is insane. I would never do that. You're paying $98 for all of these samples, so you get to try all of these perfumes, and then you pick one of them and they give it, you could either take the voucher that's in here to the store, or you can even order it online and you get a free full size of whichever one of these was your favorite. So in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. So I'm interested in smelling the new Paco Rabanne one. I want to smell this Marc Jacobs one again, the one that has like the banana flower. I want to try Golden Nectar from Nest. I want to try a lot of perfumes that I've tried in the past to see how they're smelling here, because there's many here that I already know how they smell, but I don't know how they smell like here. So very excited for that. Again, perfect for the holidays as a gift, perfect for you if you're trying to grow your collection. They have different sampler sets to choose from too. Also, I have the new Fleur Cherry Stem perfume. I don't want to mess with this one too much. This is not for me, and you guys should already know that. I know that a lot of you guys are asking me for my thoughts on this. It's not fair for me to give my thoughts because cherry and plum are two notes that I do not like. I would have loved it if it would have like changed my mind, but it didn't. I gave it one spray and I got a headache. Unfortunately, all I smelled was a very strong, heavy, thick, perfect for nighttime cherry, but just because it doesn't work for me does not mean it's not a good perfume. If anything, I think this is one of the best quality, best performing cherry perfumes I have tried. So imagine Tom Ford lost cherry, which they lost the cherry because that one disappears so fast. This one is cherry for like the entire day, and I did one spray on my arm and it created the biggest scent bubble. So if you're looking for a good cherry perfume, this right here is your girl. It's just not for me, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this to some giveaway boxes that I'm gonna be doing soon. So 2 lucky winners, one will get a travel size, one will get the full size. So if you're looking for like a date night, super sexy, mysterious, deep, dark, syrupy cherry, check out Cherry Stem from Fleur. Next up, we have some skincare. Actually, let's stick to fragrance and body care. So I also had to pick this up. I do receive PR from L'Occitane, but I didn't get this one, so I just picked it up myself, and this is the Delightful Mist. It is their almond body mist, and this is supposed to smell like their body care, and I really love anything that is almond, so I had to jump on this. And I also love the white bottle. I feel like this is perfect. So let me go ahead and give this one a spray. I sprayed it the other day and I really liked it, but I wanted to just let it settle down. That is so good. If you are an almond lover, this is a must-have in your collection to layer with your almond perfumes. Immediately, it is a fluffy white cloud, almondy, kind of like tonic. I don't know if I would say powdery. Not really powdery, but just a teeny bit. It's like almond milk. It's like almond cookie, but not too gourmand, not too sweet. It's just nutty. It smells more like, not like the shower oil, which I'm kind of glad because I like the shower oil, but I wouldn't want to smell like it all day. This is more like the body cream or the body butter. I have it in my bathroom right now, but this smells kind of like that. So good. This is so good. I love it. I'm so happy that I picked this up. So I'm definitely gonna be testing that out ASAP. Then I also picked up the Fenty Skin Butter Drop Hydrating Body Milk. So last year I picked up the body butter in the salted caramel, but I really love the formula of the body milk. So I picked this up and I'm going to be layering this with the Ellis Brooklyn Queen's Caramel perfume that I got. I feel like it's going to be perfect for that. The texture of this one is really nice. It's very, very thin. Oh, that smells so good. That's going to go perfect layered with Queen's Caramel. So if you have that perfume, definitely pick this up and layer it with that perfume. You're going to smell amazing. It smells like fall. This is fall in a lotion. I don't need to pick up any more fall themed things because I'm set with this one. For skincare, I picked up 2 products. You guys know that I am the biggest fan of the Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. And when I saw these, I was just like, add to cart, yes please. These are the Instant Firm patches, and this is, it says collagen infusion. I know that you can't really get collagen through skincare, but it says it is a tightening eye patch. I mean, I'm about to be 35. I will take all the tightening that I could get because I am starting to notice little small changes around my eye area. So you're supposed to apply these and they're like a white color. And then once they're done, they kind of turn clear and then you take them off. So I'm very, very excited to try this. And if I love them, if I get results from them, I will definitely update you guys. Next up, I also picked this up because I love skincare TikTok or skincare talk. I love watching skincare videos and learning about skincare. And I have been hearing nothing but good things about this. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Toner Pads. Very, very excited to try this out. I have heard nothing but good things, so I'm gonna add this to my morning routine. I'm very careful with vitamin C because my skin is just, it could get irritated so easily, but everyone that I follow that kind of has similar skin to me, they have had good luck with this. So I'm very excited to try it out to lighten some post acne marks that I have. I'm ready to start tackling hyperpigmentation. So I fight a lot with texture. I fight a lot with adding a lot of moisture, but lately I've been looking at my skin and I'm like, okay, I'm happy with a lot of how my skin is looking, but I would like to work on hyperpigmentation. So I have to get products with vitamin C and things like that. So hopefully these help. And then for makeup, I picked up 2 products. I picked this set up just because this is one of my favorite blush formulas and it's a good deal. So if you've never tried them, pick this up. This is the best time of the year to get holiday sets for yourself too, because you get to try multiple products for a great price. So this is the Kosas Blush is Life Trio, and I got this one last year. So I got the one from last year and now I got this one. The only one that I have in my collection already is Euphoria, so I can just add that to a giveaway, to my giveaway pile, to just give it to one of you guys because I have not even touched it or anything. But it does have 2 new shades, so those are the shades that I was very excited about. So I'm gonna show them to you guys. I love the names first of all, so I'm gonna leave Euphoria in there. I'm not trying to mess with that one, but here are the 2. These are tiny, but honestly this is perfect. So here is Spellbound. I love that name, and tell me this is not the perfect fall shade. Look at that. It is perfect for fall time. I'm so excited. Let me give it a swatch. Oh yes, 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 yes. It is the perfect, almost, I'm not gonna say brick, but it is leaning a little bit more red. Perfect for fall. And then we have Dare, and Dare has a little bit more pink to it. So this is Spellbound and this is Dare. Those are going to be so beautiful for fall time. I'm so excited. And last but not least, I picked up the new One Size Beauty Boucle. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. So this is a cellulose airbrushed powder. Here is the packaging. I picked it up in the shade Light. I just had a good feeling about this powder, but I'm very picky with powders. So here is the packaging for it. Really cute and unique. And here is the powder. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit, I guess, like right here where I have a little bit of shine. See what that does. Oh, that's set. Let's put it like right here, see what it does. You guys, very, very blurring. It just takes the shine out. So I'm very excited to try this one out next time I do my makeup, because I do already have powder, so I never like to judge anything, but very excited to try it out. So with that said, that's going to be it for today's haul. I'm very, very excited to get into all of these products and use them, test them out, report back. Let me know what you're interested in, or let me know if you've picked up any of these products. Let's go ahead and let's chat in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.